Hello, welcome to our Industrial Guidance channel, which is made for providing information on how you can start business in various industry. What we provide here are comprehensive step-by-step guides on starting businesses, detailed insights into market trends and feasibility reports, technical know-how on manufacturing processes and machinery details, financial breakdowns to help you understand costs, returns, and profitability. We cover most of the industries. Some of them are renewable energy, food processing, chemicals, plastics, etc. We have uploaded over 2000 videos that are related to business and its planning that can be started and will be profitable. It isn't for startups only, it is also for those who want to expand their business. We are also associated with Niir Project Consultancy Services to provide you more accurate details and information regarding businesses. They have more than 40 plus years of experience in business consulting and has published more than 400 plus books. They have helped entrepreneurs with customized detailed project reports, DPRs, Techno-Economic feasibility studies that can be customized to fit the needs and requirement of client, market research reports, books on starting industries and technical processes, expert consultancy to guide you at every step of your entrepreneurial journey. If you want any kind of information, you can also visit our entrepreneurindia.co or neer.org website. We are always releasing new businesses videos which is profitable and their market demand is growing day by day. If you don't want to miss a business that is suitable for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in our videos. Contact us for more details.